What you're about to watch is the third most viewed video of 2023 in the state of Michigan on TikTok. In February of 2023, Kalamazoo had a horrendous ice storm that led to this crazy viral video, which unfortunately really massively damaged the home of a neighbor that I like so much. The timing of this is in no way edited. My fiance comes out to the front because she hears like a lot of creaking and cracking. She looks around, turns around, goes back inside. Literally the second she closes the door, the tree falls.